Happy Thanksgiving 2018. Anyway, we're going to make the green bean casserole. What I do here is I have a pan that's already heating up, and I put about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil in. Heat that up. And what I'm going to do is, now usually you use the white button mushrooms, but we're using the mini, what do you call this
Portobello.
one? Huh?
The portobello.
Portobello mushroom. It's about the same flavor. So we put that in there. And we gotta put some salt on it. That will take some of the water out of it. And we're gonna cook that down. And we're going to cook this, and we'll come back a little later when this is cooked down. Okay, so I cooked the mushrooms. I like them to have a little bit of a woody taste, so I cook them a little bit longer than most people will, but you can cook it your way. And next, what I have to do is cook the onion. So it's about a cup of onions. Put that in, a little salt to bring out the water, and that's it. So in a little while, now we're going to put in the green beans. I use frozen green beans. I don't notice that much of a difference between the frozen and the fresh. So that's why I use it. There's certain vegetables that are no good frozen. Like carrots, they're like rubber if you cook them. So I throw that in there. And we're going to let that cook. Let it come up to a boil again and cook it for about 5 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes. And we're still cooking the onions. They're coming along nice. And we'll take these off soon. And we'll get back to you. Now, the beans have been cooking for approximately 8 minutes. So we're going to take it off. And we're going to strain it. And what we do next is we're going to put this frying pan with the onions back on the heat, and we're going to mix in the mushrooms. I'm going to sprinkle in a little garlic powder. Okay. And I gotta put in 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. Okay. And that will get mixed in. And we'll put in the green beans. And that will be all mixed together.
Yeah?
So we'll come back to this when it's all mixed, and we'll put it in a casserole, and we'll show you how to finish it up. Alright, so now we're ready to transfer this into the casserole. And what we do is just put it in like so. And we level it out. So we put it around like that. And now we gotta use shredded cheddar cheese to put in, and we sprinkle this on top. We put this all on top. Okay. Now, after that, we take the French fried onions, which are very crispy, and we put this on the top. That's it. That's all. Okay. And I'll show you how to finish that up when we put it in the oven. This is the green bean casserole. It was taken out of the oven. It was in the oven for approximately 35 minutes. And that's how it looks.